We're going to go over this theory concept that a lot of the level 2 students is confusing. So I need you to take out your theory notebook, open a new page. So you're going to need a ruler as well. So draw a line right here. Okay. So it's not exactly in the middle because this part we're going to use more. Okay. At the very top here, you write 2, 3. I take it back. 2, 4. 3, 4, and 4, 4. Those are the time signatures. Over here you write 3, 8, 6, 8, 9, 8, and 12, 8. Those are the time signatures as well. Okay, and then over here you're going to write 1 beat. Okay, what kind of note is 1 beat? A quarter note, a quarter rest. 2/8 note together is 1 beat. Okay. Then when you see a 1/8 note and 1/8 rest together, and then if you reverse it, will be like that. Each of those is 1 beat. For 1 beat, we are using a circle. So go ahead, draw. Each of this is 1 beat. Okay. Then later, you're going to learn a triplet. You already learned probably. This whole thing is 1 beat. Then 4 16 note. Notice 16 note is 2 lines, is 1 beat. Okay. Then you will also learn 2 16 note and 1/8 note is 1 beat. And then if you flip it, this is also 1 beat. Okay. And the very last one is going to be, this one is called broken leg rhythm, is 1 beat. All this is the combination of 1 beat. So 1 beat to 1 circle, 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 1 beat to 1 circle. Okay, so I'm going to use a different color over here. This one is a special one. This one, the one that I point. This is called broken leg rhythm, which we will learn at level 4. Okay, all of this is 1 beat. Now you can draw a line. We are all done with 1 beat. Now we move on to the 2 beat. Okay, so draw a line. Over here you're going to write 2 beat. What kind of note is 2 beats? A half note, a half rest. Okay, and another famous one will be best friend forever is 2 beat. So 2 beats, we want to use a box around it. 2 beat to indicate that this is 2 beat and this is 2 beat. This one is special. So we're going to give it a nickname. This nickname is best friend forever. BFF. Okay, and one thing you need to be very careful with the 2 beat is when you have 4/8 note being grouped together. Okay, so this is actually 2 beats. So this kind of 2 beats, you want to draw 2 circles. So 1 circle here, because we know 2/8 note together is 1 beat. So you have 1 beat here. Then another circle. So now you have 2 beats. So 2 circles right here instead of drawing a box around it. Okay, you're all done with the 2 beats. So we're going to draw a line. So make sure you copy this into your notebook. And then mommy and daddy is supposed to scan this and give it to me. That's your homework. Okay, alright, so here is your 3 beats. Anything that's dotted half note is 3 beats, and I'm going to draw a very small space right here because we're running out of space. 4 beats is just a whole note. That one is easy. Okay, alright, so the shape for the 3 beats, we're going to do a triangle. And there's no shape, you leave this one blank. You just remember that one is a 4 beat. Okay, alright, so we're done with this side. this family. Now we're going to go to this side, okay? So same thing, we're going to start from 1 beat. Now, quarter note is not 1 beat anymore. Eighth note is 1 beat. Eighth rest is 1 beat, okay? If you have 3 eighth note being grouped together, each of them is 1 beat. So for example, this is 1 eighth note, 1 beat, 1 circle. A circle always represents 1 beat. This is 1 beat, okay? And this is 1 beat here, 1 beat here, 1 beat here. So this is 3 beats here. So you draw 3 circles. Each of them is this. So this is eighth note, just like that. This is eighth note, just like that. This is eighth note, just like that. This is 1 beat. Okay, that's it. Then we're going to move on to anything that is 2 beats. So 2 beats, instead of a half note, now a quarter note is 2 beats. A quarter rest is 2 beats. Okay, so 2 beat is a box around it. So this is 2 beat, this is 2 beat. Okay, then 3 beat. 3 beat is not this because you are in the new family. This family and that family, they are not the same. Okay, so this family, 3 beats are a dotted quarter notes or a dotted quarter rest. So 3 beats, we're going to use a triangle to indicate you have 3 beats, okay? Anytime if you see 3 eighth note being grouped together with a beam, you draw 3 circles. Each of those is 1 beat. So your homework is going to be copy this whole thing into your theory notebook. Remember, do not lose your theory notebook. Take a picture and email it to me. That's your homework this week. Okay? Thank you.